Hello, welcome to ASCEND2025.
Hello Westmont, it's Jeremy Bautista. I'm here at ASCEND2025. Today we have a great day of speakers, kids from all different schools, and we're gonna really learn and grow together. It's gonna be an awesome day.
My name is Isoye, and I'm the chairman of the Illinois State Board of Education, and I am here at Westmont High School. My keynote today is going to be talking about exactly the theme, life in the crossroads, and we're looking at cultural crossroads today and the decisions that come from being in those crossroads.
Hi, I'm Chih. I'm director at the Asian American Cultural Center at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. I'm so happy to be here at Westmont High School for the ASCEND conference. Today I'll be talking about Asian American families, food, and culture.
Hello, my name is Mollie Johnson. I'm an alumnus of the Westmont High School, and today I'll be speaking about my experience and my journey as an aerospace engineer and also as a Chinese American adoptee.
I've been to a few CAPAOW events and they're always so welcoming, and I get to learn a lot about their culture, the Asian culture. This event is really important for our school because it promotes bringing people together, showcasing culture, and letting everyone be involved.